Okay guys, on this video we will build a door. So in it's straight line and the slope. So now when we do blocking on this, I make a little bit of a mistake here. Oh, hold on, let me undo more. Okay, before I extract, sorry, forgot. Okay, so this is the original. We need to fix this line. If I switch to wireframe mode, can you see the line is incorrect? So now we're gonna right click and choose vertex. Right click on the top one also, because we want to select all of them. Here we go. Move it down. Now subtract. You can do scale too if you like, but you need to you have to select only this line, I think. Hold on, let me check. Yep, don't select those, just select only this line. Okay, and you could select all the way here, and then you turn on scale 2 and then just scale so that they become straight line. And now the other thing is when I cut on the top, I make a mistake there. Can you see? Because based on the image, the one piece, if you look at on the detail on this one again, see, like that, do one piece. Okay, all right, gonna zoom in a little bit. There you go. So to be one piece, basically I have to select the face on the top there, extract first, there we go, and then Alt Shift D to delete history, and then look at on outliner. If you don't have one, turn it on. So there's a gray highlight, so it's mean these are a member of this group right there. So I'm gonna select the group node, edit, ungroup. Okay, and same here on the body, we're gonna select the face right on this side, extract, delete history, Alt Shift D, and then select the group node to ungroup. Here we go. So now we want to reconnect this one and that one, but before we reconnect it, we need to subdivide them equal amount of topology. So we're gonna do multi-cut, and I'm gonna just middle mouse click, hold control key with middle mouse click, so that is cut on the center like that, and then select both and combine, and then merge vertices. See, right now if I switch to full, here we go, so these are pair, full pair, so 8 vertices, and then merge. Here we go. So now it's become, how is become 5? So let me select that. That's 1. Let me see. Oh, okay. This somehow is the threshold is too far compared to those 3 pair. Okay. So, and I think we could look like this. Okay, so we're gonna come back on this. So let's template, and things that are not template, select it. Okay, and then add. Here we go. All right, so this is how what we left off. So you just select the face, extrude, and then offset. I'm gonna make a guess. Let's do 5. 5 is about right. And then switch to move tool and then just shift it down a little bit. So now I could see that 5 is good. Maybe. How about right there? Here we go. And now to get a cut there, there's a trick. You can do multi-cut, or we can use a chamfer vertex. Select all the vertices, shift right mouse click, chamfer vertex. What it does is it's chamfer it so it's flat and split into 3 corner. And then let me try 1. Ouch, 0.1, sorry. About 0.15. That might be too big. Let's do 0.1. Here we go. So the reason that we do this so that we get exactly same angle and distance. So now we need to fix. We because right now it's 5, and then we can cut there if we want to. We could, but in this case, let me think quick. We could do full corner by let's hey guys, let's do this. Turn on a modeling toolkit right there, and there's a target wheel. What it does is allow you to grab the first vertex and then wield it to that vertices. Oops, why it does that? Oh, hold on. I think my selection target wheel like this. Can you see? And target wheel work with edge and face too. Like I can wheel this. Oh, sorry. Never mind. It doesn't work with only vertices. So now look like this. I know it's 3 corner. We can fix them. But to fix it is not difficult at all. We can just cut this to there and cut this to there. Okay. But before we do that, let's press 3. Here we go. 3. So look like that. And I think, let me check why it looks so bad. Okay, we're gonna have to fix him. Okay, I am back. So now we need to make these a if I press 3 right now, it's look a little awkward just because of, can you see right here? Oops, hold on. These are more than 4 corner, so we need to split, but we're gonna cut a hole anyway, so we better to change this to be 4 corner. To do that, you just cut it and just eyeballing a little bit. I'm gonna zoom in, try to get a straight line as much as you can. Oops, sorry. I backspace to go back. Right. How about that? Here we go. And press enter to execute it. Oop. Sorry. Here we go. Cut it. And here we go. And then you just remove this line. So now we got 4 corner. And basically we're gonna get rid of this window. We punch the hole. And now let's do this one. And you can pick either side actually, but what I was looking at it, I'm looking at on the number of the the faces when after it's cut, because you can actually cut from here down too, but then you're gonna have more faces because it's gonna go run down here. So I picked the less low resolution as much as possible. Here we go. And then select that. Here we go. So now if I press 3, it will look like this. Then we're gonna stop continuity on the top, on the corner basically, but not now. Press 1 back. So we got that shape, and now we gotta create a thickness out of it. So it will be the same thing again. We go to object mode as what we did with this section in the past. So extrude. Now we're gonna switch this to world space because we just want to get a straight line like that. Here we go. I'm gonna make it a little thicker this time. There we go, because we want a slightly different level right there. Oh, hey guys, I forgot. When we cut, we should extract the surface so that a well, it's okay. I already did delete it, so never mind. This is fine. So, gonna move a little thicker. Here we go. Okay, and let's see. It has a slightly different level right there, so we can just grab that and move. Here we go. Now they are overlapped. We need to scale it down a little bit. Here we go, so that it doesn't overlap. And the rest of them, I think we can just leave it there. No big deal. And let's select and press F so that I can see right there. It's separated. That's good. Okay. And then now you're gonna reverse this. Reverse surface. There we go. Okay. So we got a door, and the rest of them we're gonna have to add the detail, but let's stop continuity. So let's go back and delete history. Alt Shift D. I'm gonna save it. And D. So I'm gonna save scene as A, B, C, D, F. This time I'm gonna change to 13 now. There we go. So let's see if it fit. Okay. And let me go back and check the picture again. And it has a little indentation there. We can do that. Okay. So let me look at right here. Okay, that's not difficult. We can cut this, multi-cut and cut. Here we go. And then I can select that loop, extrude, and just push in a little bit. Here we go. To just give a little extra surface. I think this is too deep in. I'm gonna just move it away. Here we go. Okay, press 3. It would look like this. Let me deselect. Okay, and when we stop continuity, it will create a little more differential. Let's do that. Gonna cut that, and I think the inside this section is a little curved, so I'm gonna just do, how about skip one first. Here we go. And don't need to cut too many, just see if it's enough. That's look good enough, I think. I'm gonna go back to one. Okay, so now I'm gonna start it to stop continuity right there. Press 3 again. Here we go. And now this section, you got to be careful a little bit, because if you do 1 here and 2 there, okay, press 3. See, it started to pull this section. So to fix it, it's really easy. You just need to spread. I'm gonna grab that here and there. I think all the way there. Here we go. And maybe this one too. That one's good. Okay, so I'm gonna slide it. And then we just slide. So let's press 3. Here we go. Can you see? When you slide, it started to create more curve. And I'm gonna slide right in the middle there. So same on the top one. I can press 3 so that I can see. Slide it. Here we go. Okay. Now can you see? It's the curve is coming back. So press 1 back so that you won't slide too far. I think that's good. So it's about the middle. There we go. Now it's gonna be the same here. Multi-cut. Cut it. Cut it. Okay. And slide. Okay. You can press 3 and then slide. Gonna slide to the middle. Oh, too far. Just in the middle. Okay. Same. Gonna press 3. Slide it. Press 1 back. And just in the middle. Okay, and press 1, 3, oh, 3, here we go. I think that's curved enough. Doesn't have to be that much curve, like on the bottom. So the bottom will cut. Oh, multi-cut. Sorry, hold on. Here we go. Cut. 1 there. Let's press 3. Here we go. Just 1 again. And this time just let it flow. Here we go. Okay, I have a little problem there. Can you see right there? Let me undo quick. If it doesn't go up, it looks like it does, but let's go to Control 1. Something happening. Let me delete history. Multi-cut. It should go all the way. Now, can you see it's missing something? Something not right. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Something not right. I had a little problem here. It doesn't cut through. Let me check. Border. Here we go. Oh, when I extrude, I had that extra. See that? By accident. So let me undo cut. Okay, let me get rid of that line. There we go. So I'm gonna have to go to object mode. If I right click vertex face, I can see that line. I need to get rid of that line. That it's not the line, it's the edge of the face with zero length on edges. So I just do clean up, and right here edges with zero length, clean up. Now let's check. It's gone. So now I should be able to cut through all the way. Multi-cut. Here we go. Okay, now I got some problem there. Let's see if I connect it. I think because when no, okay, there is a problem there too. Still there. So did not still have more. I gotta delete the edges, all the edge loop first, in order to be able to fix this. Okay, and now, so once again guys, these are just a troubleshooting. Clean up, zero length. Let me check. So in this case I am not able to do it manually, to do it automatically, so I have to manual, because it's fixed this section but doesn't fix there. So how do I do that? That's easy actually. There's a is there. So there's a face inside there. That what it did not delete all the way. Let me right click to edge. I have to really select that edge. Drag there and delete. Still not. Let me try. Okay, so because of the face is still inside there, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to vertex. Whoop, and I'm gonna just merge vertices. Like if I select like this, can, oh that's one. Hold on. One, hold on. Oh, it deletes something that I did not intend to. So I'm gonna do the easy ways. We delete face, delete it, here we go, and then I'm gonna append it. Oops, sorry, close that one up. Here we go. And now I have two elements, I hope. Let me, yep. Okay, so I can select that and shift select this, shift double click. See, I select all the loop, top and bottom, and then I'm gonna bridge, and done. Let's test, see if it fixes. Nope, still have some more faces that are not belong there, I think. Why is that? the face in between is gone, but the vertices, oh, still have that part. Okay, that one. Did I just delete them though? Huh? Where is it? It's gone now, I think. Oh, it's still there. Hold on. I think there are two faces in there. Here we go. That's it. I didn't see it. Can you see right there? That's the problem. Let me undo quick. So what I can do needs to be a little tricky here. So I'm gonna select like this all the way and subtract. So basically I try to select the tiny face in there. So if I switch to 4, here we go. Control and subtract only that. Here we go. One more. See? This. Now I can see it. It's there. Hit delete. Delete that face. Press 5 again. It's really tiny. I think this is not enough still. So I'm gonna still some rows still there. Subtract that. Subtract the. Here we go. No. That's weird. So I'm gonna. Okay. How about do like this? I think it's just because it's left out. They are so close to each other. So now I should be able to loop like that and bridge. Nope. Still, if I can't bridge, so it means there's some face in there that doesn't allow me to do it. Okay. I would. Let me kill that face. So that's the problem. See that? Okay, I have more than one problem. So now I'm gonna have to do Control 1 because I want to be exactly like that. Okay. So I'm gonna just bridge this section first, and then I'm gonna add extra. So, oops, sorry. There we go. Multi-cut and cut right there. And then I'm gonna just move, just only on the font face, and that's it. Okay. And that's fixed. So now Control 1 again. I should be able to cut through it. So it's really important, guys, that you need to fix it before you move forward. Otherwise, in the wrong line, you will run to more problem if you have. I mean, if you let it go. So, yep. Like that. I'm gonna slide these out. Slide. I'm gonna press 3 so that I can see it. Yeah. Press 1 back, just like in the middle. There you go. And this one I'm gonna slide it to, it's about in the middle. Here we go. If it's not middle, we can cut them actually. So press 3, here we go. Look like this. Okay. And if you are a little picky about the line, can you see it like that line? You can do like this. Multi-cut. You can cut from there and here. See? I don't like that. Hold on, let me undo. I'm gonna make the lines a little better looking. I mean, you could try this too, like you cut it from here, up, backspace, here, from here, and then go all the way straight line. Here we go. And then look at on this section, you want straight line. Here we go. And then you come right there. And you might have a questions like, so why don't we just cut it first? Yes, you can. Here we go. So let's press 3. I think it's not that bad. Press 1. And I could do multi-cut again. Nope. To get that running, I'm gonna be really close. Here we go. And you could just do it like this right away. I mean, there's so many ways you could think of to accomplish your better layout. And, really close there. Oh, need to be attached. Here we go. And then we get rid of this line. See it? Select loop. And then we still get full corner. That's the key. Now, this one we're gonna have to cut first. Cut really close. Here we go. And for this one, I'm gonna just move, just slide easier. Slide up, it's about midway. Press 3 now. Here we go. And if you like, you could actually grab the vertices there. Make sure you grab all the vertices from the back side too, and then turn on scale 2. Let's do on side view. And scale only, let's try only X and Z together. Here we go. Yep, that's too much. Here we go. Oh. Okay. So that we create a little more curve there. Now 3. Here we go. Because when we press 1, it still look good. Can you see? Okay, now press 3. Oh, go back to 1 and then Control 1. Oh, sorry. Object mode. And Control 1. Oh, come on. Here we go. So press 3 because we need to check. On the bottom, we need more cut. Multi-cut. Okay. Now press 3. There we go. And if I want this to be a little sharper, let's do more sharp. Press 3. Okay. And the inside, if it's sharp enough, because we don't see it, so we can just leave it there. Press 1 back. Let's see. I think that's good. So, and now for the handle, it's not that difficult at all. So I'm gonna stop on this video, and then we continue another part. Okay. So the door is almost done. Oh, we forgot one thing. We need the the window. Okay. So for the window though, I'm trying to think about something quick and easy, because the window is also bent a little bit, but we delete that surface by accident. I did by accident. So, well, just create a new one. It might be quicker than just try to think of something else. So cube, and I gotta turn the cube. Where is it? The cube. Let me undo quick. Okay. So click cube. Here we go. And so I'm gonna make the width. The width is X. Oh no, so the width is that direction, so my width will be 0.5. How about 0.25? Really thin. And then the depth and height, here we go. Okay. And then I'm gonna move in place. Switch to 4 so that you can see how much is so now the depth can be longer because Z direction. Here we go. Move it. Okay. And the height can be a little less. Move it up. Here we go. So basically you just want it to be within inside there. So now we're gonna have to add section. So Z direction, so that will be depth. Here we go. See it like that. Okay. And let me move. I wanted to center it like that. See right there. So switch, turn on wireframe. Here we go. I just want that line to be right there. And then you can rotate, or you can start it to push moving vertex edge. Here, let me reposition it. I think this is the center. So now I can grab vertex on the side like that. You might want to look at on top view so that you can kind of bend this to match. Here we go. To have a similar curve, basically. I think that's good enough. And you don't need to smooth. You don't need to press 3 because we want a solid line, right? So, okay. And I'm gonna stop the video for a moment. Let me press 3 on this. Here we go. See if it. See how it look. Here we go. I think it looks good. Okay. Save. And if you like, delete history. Feeds transform just in case. Okay. And then now we can duplicate it. But let's don't duplicate yet, because let's put the this detail, those hinge, and then the handle before we, and then we can group them together, and then we duplicate and flip to the other side. Okay, so part 1 of the door done. Save again.